And it goes with my saying, hello, gorgeous. Hello, gorgeous. All right, girl. So I just took down the Christmas tree. Everything looks so plain now. I cleaned off the table and everything. We got to return the fryer over there. I cleaned over there on the windows, the window panel, all of that. It's time for me to get towards the kitchen here. So I got to clean all through those cabinets. All of this here is going to go in the storage because there's no need to keep it here. Less is more for right now. Oh, show you what my daughter got me for Christmas. Well, she got me something else, okay? That she got from Bath and Body Works when it was $5. It's a 3-wick. All right. It smells so good. All right, so welcome to A Day in the Life with She is Tamika. She is Tamika and Tamika is she. She is Tamika and Tamika is she. She is Tamika and Tamika is me. So welcome to A Day in the Life. Girl, I got to show you some of my items, but first, let me show you what I had for breakfast this morning. I did have 1 cup of coffee. I didn't have any protein in it, all right? Because last minute, my husband said, you know what, let's go to the store. And I was like, cool. Say less. Let's go. All right. 10, because mama's stomach is growling. It is Saturday, December 28th, and the time is 1:17. I just made a video about a recap of 2024 with my weight loss journey and YouTube journey. Make sure you go ahead and check that out because that video should be up right now by the time you see this video, okay? And share this. I wanted to say that me decluttering, how that progress is coming along. It's coming along. I was able to get through a lot of the cabinets. Some of them I really didn't have to go through because I had decluttered those last year. A girl got to clean the oven today and she got to do the refrigerator. So we're still going to keep decluttering. So the reason why you're getting 2 videos today, because I am not going to be posting or consuming any content off of YouTube for the next 3 days. So starting Sunday, December 29th through, how many? We got December 31st. Wait, 29, 30. Yeah, 31. Okay, for the next. All right, so now let's go ahead and get into what I bought from Burlington. Okay, so here is this nice little plush. Oh my gosh, she's so warm, but I gotta wash her before I use her. Okay, so she's kind of thick, and that's what I like. To keep me from sweating at night and using like my big comforter, I decided to get me a throw cover. So this one is the French Connection, and I paid $12.99. Next, what I got is these pans. Now I needed more pans, like I said, and so I'm just gonna throw away the old and bring in the new. This here, I paid $9.99 for it. This is the non-stick coating, lead free and BPA free. All right, so you get 2 pans with 2 different sizes. The dimensions is 13.4 by 9.5, and the other one is 15.2 by 10.3. Smells so good. So next, I decided to pick up some greens because I know I'm not always getting in my greens the way I should be. And I've tried this one before, which is the Nutrition Works green powder, greens and superfoods, where it's over 30 fruits and veggies included. I can't read some of these names, but whatever. Kale, spinach, barley grass, beets, wheatgrass, and ginger root. And you get 28 servings, and this one is in berry flavor. When you make a smoothie out of this and put your fruits in here, baby, that's a double of overload, okay? I had to get me a new stopper because the one I got was kind of tearing and the water was seeping out, and you don't know how many times I get tired of making good dishwater and then all of my dishwater is gone. I don't like that. So I paid $2.99 for this one. Next I got, y'all gonna like this one. She cute, she is so cute, and it goes with my saying, hello gorgeous. Hello gorgeous. Hello gorgeous. Get 3 packs. So this is a fresh scent. My mom always had this around the house, and this makes your house smell so good. Like, it feels warm and inviting, and it just smells very fresh and clean. So these are like little beads or little powder. So what I decided to do, instead of just leaving them in here and just cracking a little like a little tear in it, what I decided to do was put them inside these little bamboo containers. Now these are airtight, they're stackable and food safe, but I am going to pour these into here, okay? Hello gorgeous. My hair is going crazy. So the next home scent that I got was the peony honeysuckle. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. I gotta hide this. I paid $3.99 for this, and it's like a floral, flowery scent. That's what it smells like. Hence the honeysuckle. Some got on my hand. I gotta wash it, but it just smells good. They'll come in and be like, this smells good. It's a bit strong. All right, so the next thing I got was some more socks. So my daughter asked, what does her dad want for Christmas? I said, get him some socks, because I get tired of him being all up in my socks. They are a little thick. These were $8.99, and they are one size fit all, and you get 6 pairs, so it's Adidas socks. Got with these pretty gold hoops here. So I got something that I can wear like when I'm dressed up or something, or instead of just wearing like big bamboo hoops, which I love these type of hoops, but I also want to get some little dainty hoops right here. I paid $5.99 for these, and these are by Natasha. So next I'm getting ready to open this up with you, and I don't know what this smells like, but I got some women perfume. I decided to take a chance and, you know, fill up my perfume tray that my daughter got me for Christmas. So this one is Ralph Lauren. So let's open this together. Ignore my nails because I got to braid London's hair, and I don't have time for my nails to pop off because I use press-on. I ain't giving up my money. I stopped at mid-2024. Ooh, number 2. Please smell good. Please smell good. Ooh, that smells like a light, fresh. Because the scent is on my hand, I'm like, good. You want to spray? Hold on. Put your neck out. Put your hand out. Go like this. How does that smell? Come to me. Don't run. Ooh, that smells fresh. Like, it's kind of light. It's very, very light. So this is going to be a part of my perfume collection because I do have to make a video about that. And I'll just wait till 2025 to do that. Last but not least, bad thing about Chick-fil-A, y'all got to do a little bit better, because y'all had me waiting just a little bit too long for my food. And 2, I ordered a brownie and I didn't get it. So that, my friend, was $2 and receipt that's over there said I bought a brownie, and that was $2 and some change, and I didn't get the brownie. All right, so with my Chick-fil-A, I do get fried chicken. I'm not gonna get grilled if I don't want grilled. You know, let's be real with our diets here, okay? So I'm going to take the tomatoes out. Come down some. I'm going to take the tomatoes out. Tell them to take out the egg, because they do give you 2 eggs, and I don't like it. I am going to add these little tomato crunchers. I'm going to add that. And then my light balsamic vinaigrette. And usually I eat half of this, so I'm going to halven this up and then save the rest for later today. I went to Dunkin' Donuts, and this is what I had. All right, so I just had my salad. Now I'm getting ready to add the mocha latte, 15 grams of protein into this coffee. Milky. I add a little bit of this, warm it up, dark roasted, and let's go to town, because I got a lot of stuff to do tonight. Don't judge me. All right, so my daughter went to Burlington. No, she didn't. She went to Victoria's Secret, and she came home and got me some Bear perfume. It smells so good. I cannot wait. Bear. All right, it is 5:17, and I'm eating the rest of my salad here. That coffee upset my stomach. I'm not eating no more of that. Well, drinking no more of that Tostinos, whatever you call that, toasters. That, I don't know. It just irritated my stomach, because I've been a little hungry about an hour ago. Right there. That's my video that I just uploaded today. 5 views, 2 likes. Let's get the likes up. Let's get the likes up. I am pooped. I am ridiculously tired. It is 5:56, and it's been that long since I talked to you. I'm watching Patrice Denise. I still got my Christmas stuff there. I still got to go to the storage. But I'm watching Patrice Denise. Yes, girlfriend. Put her on pause, because I don't want her copywriting me. I wrote down a list of everything that I need to do. It's on my iPad. That way it can help keep me organized. I think I already told you guys, but I organized a lot of the stuff in the cabinets and then tackle my closet again. This time I'm not going to be tackling the shoes and the clothes, because that's already done, but there's other things that I need to straighten up in there. Today I was supposed to clean the refrigerator and the oven. It's not going to get done. I'm going to make a post on my community tab stating that I am going to be on a fast from social media for the next 3 days, and that I will see all of y'all at the beginning of the year, January 1st. Okay, I need to eat something else, being that I only had salad for lunch and dinner. So I'm gonna have a protein bar and then drink my ginger ale soda. I'm gonna drink the one that's the 140 calories, since I didn't have enough calories today. That 7-Up soda, I'm not getting that no more, because to me it tastes like little sugar water, and I don't like that. Like the last video until 2025. I hope you guys enjoyed every last bit of all of my videos that I have been putting out, and I pray that it really entertained you and you were informed at some point in my journey. So I thank you so much, and I will chat with you next year. Goodbye, see you later, gorgeous.